electricity is for electricians. Today, I want to tell you why we must leave electrical work to electricians. Let them trace the circuits, repair electrical equipment, and perform the necessary maintenance. The reason is simple. Unless we've had enough training and instruction, we don't know enough about electricity. We're barely qualified to make the kinds of mistakes that can cause fires, electrocutions, or both. And learning how to handle electricity is not easy. It takes time, hard work, and a lot of schooling. Electricity has been known for over 2 centuries. Long ago, Benjamin Franklin flew a kite in a storm to prove that lightning was caused by electricity jumping from cloud to ground. He got shocked. Not enough to kill him. But he was lucky. That same experiment could have easily ended his life. Flying a kite with a conductive string into a lightning storm is not a safe way to grow old. Franklin learned enough not to repeat the experiment. The breakthroughs that made electricity widely usable only happened about 50 years ago. Since then, we've learned how to use it safely. In many ways. For all kinds of purposes. But that progress required tremendous effort, endless research, and the work of thousands of scientists and engineers. Add to that 50 years of hands-on experience in factories and homes around the world. So why am I telling you all this? Because I want to show you. Working with electricity is not for people without specialized training. What we know about electricity could fill an entire library. And we keep learning more every day. No single human mind could absorb it all. Even the safety knowledge alone could fill a massive book. That's why, for those who install circuits in our homes and plants, we've developed standards, rules, and regulations. Some prevent fires. Others prevent accidents. These rules are kept up to date by the best experts in the electrical field. So, when someone ignores those rules, they are placing themselves above the knowledge of people who've dedicated their lives to this science. That's not confidence. That's ignorance. Applying those standards requires technical knowledge, training, and experience. That's what makes an electrician a true professional. So don't challenge them. They are backed by the best practices and represent years of study and skill. Electric current flowing through a wire or conductor is always trying to escape to the ground or to the other end of the line in a 2-wire or 3-wire system. That's why temporary wires are so dangerous. They are not protected from mechanical damage. Over the years, tremendous time and money have gone into developing the best insulation for every situation and creating electrical equipment that performs well under stress. If insulation fails, current escapes. It can arc, heat up, and cause a fire. Or worse, if it goes through a person, it can be fatal. Many people put themselves at risk because they forget. Even 110 volts can be just as deadly as higher voltages. Alternating current at just 110 volts and standard frequency can kill if it passes through their heart. To make sure wires and equipment are safe, test labs were created. There, products are inspected and approved if they meet standards. Manufacturers earn authorization to guarantee safe products. So remember this main point. Leave electrical work to electricians.